Same thing with the eyes. I'm gonna kind of make them a little bit bigger than what they cut out as, but you want to keep them round. So, okay, there. Little dude eyes there, little dude eyes there. Do the same. The really exciting guy, our little dude over here on the, he only gets half of a belly because he's halfway in the water. Okay. Glug, 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 glug. And it doesn't have to come all the way to the edge because we're gonna cover him with some buttercream. Okay, so now let's go back through and we'll get this guy some eyes. And that is really tiny little black dots. It doesn't have to be much. And like I said, I always start out and I'm always too big. So cut that in half. Whatever you start out with, cut it in half because it's probably going to work better. So, and then just drop it. Sometimes that's the best way for me to measure is just by dropping it down and I can see that they're pretty close. So. And since your fondant is fresh, it should just stick. So fresh fondant to fresh fondant will just stay right on there. Will just stick. If it was, both were kind of dry, then it would probably, you'd probably need to put some gum glue on there, but we don't really need to do that. Do I have, ooh, look at how cute he is. Okay. Alrighty. And then just itsy bitsy teeny weeny little eyeballs or little reflective dots or whatever. Like I said, cut it in half. Okay. Oopsie. Whoa! There he goes, running away. These are probably too big too, but that's okay. That one too big? He's looking that way. Oh well, close enough. Okay, so then we got to come up here. Take our orange, and this already has tylose powder in it. I think it's basically the same thing as gum tragacanth. They're kind of interchangeable. They're just different types of gums that we in the cake decorating world use. So just kind of roll them up. Make sure you get it all conditioned, as it were. Okay, again, you're going to make your little sausages. Try to get the black marks off. Okay, and you're going to need 4 of these because we do have 4 feet. 4 little penguin feet. So these are just going to be little teardrops again. Make them kind of fat. This guy's a little bit long and skinny, but make your little teardrops a little bit fat and squatty because we're going to squish them down anyways, and just set them right next to each other. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to push them down, not like that. And we're going to take our little knife tool here, and you can take, you know, anything, your little palette knife, whatever you want, and we're just going to make 2 little indentations here for his little feet. Okay. Look at that, he's got feet. Okay, now what you can do, or what you should do, is put a little bit of the glue on the feet. Don't put it on the penguin. And you're going to lift him up, and you're just going to set him right on there. Well, he's dirty, isn't he? Now sometimes if it's a little bit, if he's sitting too far back, just take a little piece of the orange and just make like a sausage and put that up underneath there, and that'll just kind of give it a kind of a pedestal or something to sit on so that he's not, you know, you might want him to go in back like this, but depending on, you know, that should be good enough. He's really dirty, isn't he? He's been playing in the mud. So, okay, well there's that guy. Well, most of that guy.